Good morning! So today we're going to be going and blasting our fucking arms. Not an 8-hour arm day. Sorry, Rich. But we are going to be blasting arms today. Tomlin is going to join us and he is going to be fucking up his legs. I'm hoping, I personally want to hit a Tom Platz workout leg day type of deal. Probably tomorrow. Probably going to crush that with Quinn. Can't wait for that shit. I should be able to walk after I'm done with that. And we're going to Florida in just a few days. My parents left a little bit early, and then me and Chris are going to follow them down in the next 3 days. So looking forward to that. It's going to be a lot of vlogs coming out. Already did a podcast, finished editing it the day of. Unfortunately, we had audio issues with it. So it took a little bit of getting used to clipping the audio and trying to make it work. But I finally got it to work, so you can at least hear and understand the pod. The next one will have better audio quality, so I apologize for that. That was just a technical problem I didn't account for. I'm about to have me a pancake, and I just made some bacon. I don't know how you guys like your bacon, but I am a crispy bacon enjoyer. I want to know. I'm kind of curious. Let me know in the comments. Are you crispy? Like, y'all like crunchy bacon, or y'all like chewy bacon? Let me know. I'm about to flip this bad boy before it gets burned, and I'm going to carb load a little bit with just this pancake, and then we're going to get right into the workout today. After we get done, I'm going to go to Tomlin's parents' house. Haven't been there ever. Hope it's pretty lit. But we're going to have a 4th of July, which we celebrate as Belarusian Day, Independence Day. And we got a flag for it. It's just a little joke we did like a year ago. So I'm going to bring the flag and we're going to relive, because it's the 3rd, it's not the 4th. We're going to relive the Belarusian Independence Day.
Hey! It's kind of like you with deadlift day, you know? I'm working, and then I take my pre-workout.
Did you even warm up properly?
Yeah.
need a bigger bench. Grow these shoulders, get wide. You can't neglect your lateral and frontal raises. So I've been doing 25 minutes, I've done 20, doing it kind of back to back. Do 12, 12, arm days. You won't hit them on chest days, it's good to on your light chest days. I don't know, it's really helped me build up my shoulders and increase my bench. Twin lights, cock twist with a string. I prefer these. For forearm curls, it just gets me a little bit better. Alright, give me a little of your turn. Nope. Give me. Come on, go slow. Ready? Hang on, but that's all I want to do.
As you guys can hear the thunder going on behind me. It's raining. Me and Tom are about to go to Walmart, grab a few grocery items because we are going to grill. Workout was really good. Pretty solid, to be honest with you. Killed my arms. I'm pretty fatigued. Had great, I haven't had a Mog session I haven't done Mog sessions forever because I've always been crunched on time. Like the past month, 2 months, I've just been so busy and I haven't just had time to just Mog sesh. And we actually got some good photos. I wasn't feeling the best on the Mogs, but they actually turned out way better than I thought they would. So anyway, might make a TikTok to that. Post on TikTok because I ain't been posting a lot to my TikTok. I've been mostly just posting to YouTube. And we'll have some IG posts coming up. That's probably just gonna be mostly like beach trip stuff after it's over. But probably gonna have like either a long hour, 30-minute vlog, but I'll probably divide it to part 1 and part 2. But anyway, we're going to Walmart trying to catch my breath because we just did a cardio session and I ain't had any martial arts training as far as like blocking in a little bit because I've just been busy. And that was really good to get some in today. I know we're crushed. We're still pinched for time. I always pinch for time. Got so much stuff going on, but glad we could fit it in. Also, you guys know about the merch updates. I'm still waiting on them to be done. The dude's had them for 2 months. I'm just giving him a chance. But the pump cover is going to be about this size and fit like this. I don't know if you guys saw in the workout video.
I love how these pump covers, like these are all vintage shirts, but I love how the material fits your body and how it just makes me feel big. And I don't know, I just love a baggy shirt like this for a pump cover. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh. So we're about to go to Tomlin's. My forearms are cramping from carrying this fucking half watermelon with alcohol. But what we can do. Every time I raise my arms above my head, cramps immediately.
Did he do good? They look good to me. They look good to me. Proud of you. Sheesh. Okay, okay.
Help me out, bro. Yeah. I do need help a lot more. But that's a huge.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Weenie Guzzling.
Has he ever done that to you? You jump on the counter a lot to get food? No.
He's not inside much.
Oh, okay.
He don't like water.
Don't
Let's
run
go,
him
bro.
on the bed.
He don't like water.
Come on.
Bro, it did just squirt juice, didn't it?
I hope everything's cooked right.
Tommy, you care about having your biggies?
Oh yeah. Everybody please. But if I'd much rather have a weekend where I can go
Have some tea?
to 3 jobs.
Is that a Mr. Beast drink?
No fucking way. No fucking way you do that.
It just said Beast on it. It literally looks like what's on his cookies.
You know, like the white monster you tried?
It tastes exactly like monster.
It's not worth
It tastes like a white fucking monster, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's even. It's
There's
Oh,
no
it's a hard
difference.
seltzer?
There's no fucking difference.
Bro, it's
Wait,
a
hold
little
on, before
sweeter.
you try
They're up there in the heart of
Yeah,
the
yeah,
Is there
yeah.
any more? I want to try it.
Yeah, there's more.
I don't want to drink a whole one. I just want to like.
5%?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
Mid.
6%.
Oh, 6.
Mid.
You want to try it? You want waterfall or whatever.
But those and the hard Mountain Dews they taste
They need to do that with watermelon Red Bull.
Where'd you find the
Give me a
hard
rating on
shit?
it. I think it tastes just like it.
Target.
There's like no hint of alcohol in that shit.
It's got a little twang to it.
That's where we found both of those at. They had.
Bro, I'll tell you what it tastes like. Have you ever had the import?
You're the white monster. It tastes just like that.
Something at the beach out in Florida. Garbage. Nothing.
So you know, like the regular monsters, how they have that
I saw
bite.
that, but I thought it was fake.
That
Oh, yeah, that's
Like
smooth.
sells it.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
saw Sonic. And I thought it was fake.
All right, go ahead. Let's get the bow review.
She works at Sonic, and she posted
The
on
most-
the store, and I was like, no fucking way.
Connoisseur like review. Let me aerate my palate real quick. Just like white monster. Fucking delicious. Hey, some trucks are so small, it's hard to get them up. I'm afraid I'm gonna break them.
You need to get a new pair of them before the beach.
I know.
Do you have any more?
Can't get no more American than that, bro.
Well, not everybody's out here.
Granny core.
What we can do is we can,
Sandwich them.
yeah, basically put a firework in between them.
Yep.
Get them as close as they can go.
That's a fucking mistake.
All right, grab your water.
I'm gonna leave it here just in case we need to pour something out if fire starts. This is probably gonna be like small.
I probably do. I don't know what it is. All right, this is the Elvis. Elvis Presley.
Yep.
It's gonna be a good one.
I don't know. Probably about the same. Fireworks. Better get that other one, son. Better get that other one, son. They don't know me, son. Oh, we should have. Hey, that one might shoot up because we didn't secure that one. He's gonna get knocked.
Dude, no, that low is going.
Oh, yeah. I didn't think it was gonna be that big. I thought it was gonna be like little sprinklers. That's why I didn't set them up.
It's that shit dribbling, bro.
I know. We got lucky with that one. Tom was walking like a fucking ape earlier. Look at this shit.
Is it upside down?
No. It's a 20. It's a 20 shot.
Oh, God.
Oh.
Make fire! Make fire!
Okay. All right. Yeah.
Oh, no. Quinn, Kira.
Did you just open yours wrong side?
Both sides don't have views.
Why'd you
It's
open
way
both
down
sides?
in there.
It tells you which one. It says
I-
fuse here.
Where? It's in there, bro.
You gotta defake it one
He
way.
gave me a dime.
Well, is that the one you open on both ends?
Sorry.
Bro, put out your hand real fast.
Oh my god! All right.
Should I
Hey,
flip
sit
it
around.
midair and try to catch it?
We got a squirter. Guys, there's minorities in this field.
Yeah, I fucked that one spot up in space.
Who got the ladder?
It's on the ground right here.
Oh, it's right here, bro.
Okay, bro. I'm going to you.
We're attracting aliens.
Stop crossing your stream, bro.
Sorry, bro. I'm trying to make it stronger. I'm making sure hers is out. I feel like I got one more.
I think we should look directly down to make sure.
Yeah.
Into the barrel.
There we go. Yes.
Here you go.
Touch tips.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. What's all the light?
Fist.
Alright,
Now point at each other.
Bro fist.
Double.
Or what does to a Walmart bag?
Stop. You stupid idiot. Stop.
What? I'm gonna let you go first, big man.
Alright, with a watermelon.
Damn, you. We might want to get a little closer. I don't want to hit the wall.
Alright, where was that?
You see where that rug
Boots?
starts?
Rug?
So we'll just use Tom and shoe. There you go, behind that.
Alright, like 300 or 150?
Which one do you want to do?
Less.
150? Let's do 150.
Definitely.
Busted!
Alright, all three?
Bruh.
I can't see from over there.
Where are you in the chat?
Oh.
Bruh.
Sit outside. Oh, it's in longer.
All right.
15?
All right, one. Nice fucking group.
I got 3.
Oh yeah.
Wow, big pussy slag. That's all
Oh,
right.
you got it, bro. Okay. Tom, you might want to move.
Stop trying to shoot me, man.
Oh, fuck. It can't fly.
What a G. He's got his watermelon. So much on it.
I need that 20 right there.
Damn.
So funny.
Ooh.
All right, pretty bad.
Oh, damn, that's bad. That's so
No,
fucking
no
bad.
gripping. No gripping.
Oh, light work. Red?
That's just a red. That's bullseye.
That's 50. That's 50. 51? Or like 50. 53, actually.
Alright,
Ooh.
19.
Ooh.
Yeah. That's
All right, add him up, Quinn. He got a lot, that one.
No, that's spin.
You want to hit Tom one?
Hit me. If you hit the block, I get the free shot.
Oh my god, that's so bad.
You're way better at this on iMessage, Jackson.
All right, I got 18, 12, and a 5.
Shit, there's tennis balls over here.
Before.
Where'd you just sink that? Oh.
There's also a
Okay.
ping pong table.
Yeah, we can put literally this on top and let people.
Oh.
14.
Nah, bro, I think it's
16, 17. 17?
3.
I mean,
Yep. I thought you got triple 18 for a second. I was like, damn.
no.
Water.
I love that shot. Yes.
Yeah.
Look at some of my dicks. I got closed in there.
I'm on a no meat diet right now.
You probably on a no pussy diet too, huh?
No.
Don't you bust.
123.
Buzz.
Don't you bust. Bro's gonna bust.
Throw it in his head.
Ooh, I think that's a buzz.
Green. That's green. That ain't red.
That's 25. What was he?
That's right. That's 2 less.
Alright, you're 148.
Oh, no fucking way. No fucking way.
Make it 2.
Alright.
No pressure.
Easy.
Oh.
Hit the
That's
fucking
close.
2, guys.
That's
Easy
close.
shit.
I fucking know.
I need an 8.
I got 11.
Bro,
Damn.
phone's upside down. Have my finger in front of it, bro.
Jackson, if you bust one.
So I still need
Yeah.
2.
Yeah.
That's no biggie, bro. No
Who
sweat.
will drive the boat, Will?
Drive the boat? Who's gonna drive the boat?
You want to drive the boat?
Okay.
You ain't
All right.
driving.
Let them black.
Hold on.
Oh, shit.
Whoa.
Oh.
This is supposed to go in the bowl.
Oh, I did go to the wall.
Hey, yeah. Hey.
Get straight to me, bro.
Hey, yeah. Party foul.
Oh.
Way off, bro.
It's all right. Good group. Busted. All over my face. Damn. Oh, busted all over your face, bro. I'm sorry.
$2.
Yeah, he's gonna
It's
cash
a
out.
fair, bro. It's
Yeah, I would have paid my $2, bro. Come on.
I don't know about that.
He's about to take all my money after I'm like get a little bit of confidence.
Hell yeah.
I don't know. Quinn's too strong. His muscles are so tense. He's
gonna sink it through the wall.
This is 2 times.
Yeah, the smaller ones are the 3 times.
So this would be 60.
Okay.
I got you.
feel good now, but
And it don't matter the color.
I got you.
Sorry, babe.
Don't worry.
Go for it.
I was serious on accident. I'm sorry.
Oh, damn. 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 Damn.
Yeah, I was looking at that shit. I was like, how is
We need our shoes.
Woo, woo.
They put blue chalk on the season. I don't know.
Alright, there's a line. You probably cheated.
I think so.
It's alright.
sorry.
Oh, you suck.
Stick it in the board.
Oh,
That's sticking in you.
13.
Oh, damn. 17,
17.
13, 17, 38.
Hey.
I didn't lock the door.
Man, where are you aiming, bro?
What'd you say?
I didn't lock the door.
Damn. That's pretty good. I fucked up. I fucked up.
Oh, fuck.
Damn, bro, where you aiming?
Ah, damn!
Ah.
Oh, fuck, bro. I got 7.
Sorry,
Damn.
by the way.
I know. I
Damn.
maybe when I'm a cheater.
Uh,
The hell out of
Damn.
Oh. What does that count for?
72. 72.
19.
18 plus 1.
Yep, 19. Okay.
Monsters getting
Damn, get a 20.
Oh!
17. That's pretty good.
17, 18, 19.
No fucking
That's
way.
crazy.
That's stupid.
Damn. Damn. Woo. Yeah, go for it.
Big
Damn.
numbers.
Yeah, double digits.
Oh, is that red?
No, that's black, straight black. Damn.
All right, 112, 112.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Where you even at?
It said sheet
That's
rock.
a 20, bro.
It said sheet rock. Sheet rock.
Oh, you suck. No way.
Oh, my God.
Casual 5.
25.
Nah. I hope so. So I can win it.
Garbage.
Win.
All right, hang on.
That's a lot. 3 times 14.
Yeah, let's 3 times 14.
72.
You for real?
No, I did, bro.
Hey, let me say it. Let me say it.
No, that's not it.
It's like 4.
34. 34 points. 34 points. Oh.
30. Damn. What the fuck? 31.
31 points. Ooh.
23.
11 points. That's all you need. 11.
11.
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead and shoot your shot.
Ooh. All right, so I need 9.
9 points.
Not bad, not bad.
9 away from a $2 bet. Busting.
Try
Yeah, bro. Bro's gonna be busting all fucking night.
There you go.
Garbage. It went in the food.
Oh, is that, no way. That's awful.
No way.
Busted all over your face, dog.
It was.
Hey, where my all right, go ahead. Damn, busted. Go ahead, bust again.
Oh my gosh.
Damn, easy $4 for Ben and Jerry.
All right.
Everybody wants a rematch. She's gonna get his $2 back and then some. 18.
Should I need triple?
0.
Almost.
Ooh.
So we got
21.
3 and 8. Yep, 21. Damn. Shit, start, bro.
That's what Quinchman can do.
You gotta slow down.
You gotta shut the fuck up. Exactly.
All right.
There's that one. I need
Yeah. Oh my god, is that 2 1s? Hold up. Oh my god, bro. Bro's a 1 machine right now. I better hope you don't get stuck on 1 again. I'm fucked.
No pressure, bro.
Damn, 10?
12.
12 points. Big 12.
Oh, shit.
No way. It's in the green. It's 25.
Alright, let's go.
46.
19, I think.
Damn.
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh.
Alright, I gotta add that shit up.
Go
I'm
ahead.
not a human calculator.
Alright, so after calculation, at 100. 50 more to go. Buddy's about to come back. One again.
Such a cheater.
One again. Oh, okay. All right. I'm at 100.
19.
19 and 8.
127.
All right. Let's go, Quinn.
Hey, will you put me?
Dude, we'll drink 2 more beers. She'll beat anyone's ass.
Five.
Pure fucking luck. Swear to God.
2. Oh! What the fuck is going on?
7 points. I got 34.
I got 134.
Have a good day.
All right, still going. I need 16.
I think darts is the stupidest thing ever. Fucking hate it. Because I'm mad at it.
You need 5 points.
I need 5.
You're not getting it, buddy. How much you pay for that?
Busted. So you're back at 134.
Yeah, I gotta get 16 again. Unfortunate.
You gonna pay a big dance on your lap?
It's like 15 from here.
They go free.
Damn.
It's like nothing but black. It's like nothing but black. What the fuck? Let's go.
Yeah, I got it. I don't like this stick.
Girl,
Okay. All right. 5.
shit's unsightly.
I think that. Yep. 19 right now. Plus 19.
Okay.
Plus 39. Oh!
Damn, that's game. That's game.
Where's my other $2? No, I'm gonna get 2 pints of Ben and Jerry's.
Oh, and Will.
All right, big man's gonna get his $2 back. This one, he's got it. He's got it.
Take your money in a heartbeat. Both of them. Who? Both of y'all at poker.
I claim every motherfucker in the fucking
Strong start.
Oh, dude, that was a nice night.
No, that don't count.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. It don't matter. Dude, mine didn't count on malfunctions.
That's tough shit, bro.
Hey, bro, this ain't gonna count. This ain't gonna count, bro. No, it won't. You threw, bro. You threw.
Okay.
You got 6.
6 points.
Yeah.
You so stingy, bro.
I'm so stingy.
He's so stingy.
He's so stingy, bro.
1.
That's 20, bro.
No, it's not. It's literally a 1.
That's a 20.
It's in the white.
I'm blind.
Damn.
It's been an hour fucking long, and 30 minutes of shit.
Oh, 333, but you can't that. I got 4 and I got 888. So I got motherfucking 24 plus
This is the only person
4,
25.
What? I got 28.
26, 27, 28.
Yeah, 28. Yeah.
Time I did it and I accidentally dropped the
And it vibrated. I was like, ooh.
Damn.
Man, he is stone cold face. Oh!
25.
28.
Trust.
Krista to shave your asshole.
No.
Damn. I'm sorry.
But Jackson said he wouldn't trust you to do it, so.
I don't want to shave his asshole. First of all,
Oh,
he
it's
did
fun
that himself.
though.
Kira did it. She dropped the clippers on my ass.
That's
Fucking.
All right, handsome.
Damn. Damn. Oh,
Damn, triple 3! He did it!
Oh, damn, bro.
She keeps touching it, bro.
15.
I'm on, bro.
9, 26, 24.
3 again. Double 14.
Shot here.
Take a different one.
Man.
48 plus 3. 51, yep.
I'm gonna stop you from doing it.
Trust, bro. What happened to trust?
Ain't no
14.
trust. God damn it.
Oh. See me? Oh, in the black. 17.
Like, just do it.
Ooh, 28.
Get that shit. Yeah, buddy, 16, double. We're not hitting no 3s or 1s. Oh! No way!
Uh-oh. Ooh, 12. Ooh, 8.
20?
You want it?
No, Quinn, don't. I think it's gonna wind up bad.
He's gonna hit the.
I trust that you would do it, but
No, I don't trust one at all.
Oh, wait, he's been hitting, bro? I don't know.
Exactly. Alright, if someone was
Okay.
definitely accurate, I
Black.
definitely would.
Yeah. 6 coming in.
No! Damn it!
Womp womp. Yeah, buddy.
Crash my bed.
Busted.
Busted.
Me.
Look at me real quick.
Yeah, I gotta work.
Busted.
Little snacky poo.
You gotta be at work at 9:40.
7.
You do?
So I need.
21.
Oh, ceasefire.
Whoa,
What, you said 24?
Yeah, 24 and 7.
3,
17.
Yeah.
What the fuck? That one
Okay,
pays for y'all.
I see it.
You know, people may need a phone.
Hey.
Oh.
I'm a
No,
I was working my way up.
Thank God. Thank God.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's
I have
recording.
ceasefire right now, and I've got better service than Jackson did with AT&T. I just have to connect to the Wi-Fi.
You're
Thank you.
capping. Because I'm not on the Wi-Fi.
I'm on Wi-Fi.
I'm on N10.
Let's go! Let's go!
All right.
$2!
All right.
Woo!
Here's your 2 back, bro.
That's right. I'm still 2 in the hole, though.
That just goes to show when you're up, don't get greedy. Don't get greedy. Stay humble. Are you negative or are you positive?
I'm down to it.
That's not bad. That's not bad.
All right, Jackson, we got this shit. Jackson, rack 'em.
Damn, Tom, let's see it.
I don't know. That's pretty clean break.
Yeah, bro, I'm gonna beat you. Oh.
Check that.
We flew in this pocket right
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
That fucking.
You suck so much dick, bro. Shit.
Have you seen the original
Let's go,
video?
Tama. Let's go,
It's like
Tama.
this black woman doing like an ASMR.
And rail. Nothing but rail.
And she's like,
Oh.
look at the original.
Nah.
Excuse-
No, I just made that shit, bro. All right, how you gonna pay, bro? How you gonna pay?
Pay what?
I got one way you can pay.
Pay what?
What do you mean, bro? Who put the ball in?
He just beats you.
No, he didn't. You gaslight motherfucker.
Yes, he can. If
I
he
beat you
won.
I beat you last time,
The
fuck.
game didn't finish because Will fucked it
I
up.
had fucking 6 balls ahead of you, bro. Stop coping, faggot.
Will fucked it up. If you rack, you can't break.
Yes, you can, bro. If you
You
want.
name any game where people.
Did you just say the table's uneven? You just said the table's uneven?
No, hang on, let's check this.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, let me get my level out of the truck, bro.
Ah, I almost fucked that fucking strike.
I said just put it in the pool, bro. No.
Yeah, I don't know.
Like just put some water.
There might be one that's not fired.
No,
it's just that one that was smoking.
No breaks.
Yep.
It's just that one. It's that one that was just a.
Cup or anything?
Take it out of the trash can, because we gotta take that trash out anyway.
I probably melted to the back.
Yeah. I saw that shit, bro. That's 2 games you
Your
just lost.
shot.
2 games you
Show
just
the
lost.
table.
Yeah, because you pulled it out of the hole.
table.
You pulled it out of
You
the
got
hole.
one shot
You
left.
pulled it out of the
Show
hole,
the
bro.
table.
You pulled it out of the hole, bro.
Show the table.
Go ahead. Put it on Bible.
On Bible.
Isaac, read.
It's your shot.
Everybody made it back home safely. Quinn got robbed and wound up losing $2. It's not nothing bad. And Will made his $2 back. So what a hustler. What a fucking hustler. But it was a good night overall. Very solid. Had great food, great company. And we really appreciate you guys checking out the vlogs, watching it, and really just supporting our content. And there's going to be more. Like I said, we're going on vacation 2 days, but tomorrow we're going to hit legs. Me and Quinn, we're going to do like a Tom Platts leg workout. So really looking forward to that. Back get in here, get some sleep, get some rest. Probably about to eat a little bit more. Fat fuck, I know. But thank God I got eggs. Tomorrow I'm probably going to have French toast and carb load up for the absolute horrendous leg that we got going on, because we're going to destroy ourselves. We're not going to be able to walk when we get done. So anyway, we'll see you in the next one, and we really appreciate you guys.